This is our last map then, because I am getting tired of fucking. You know the deal. I wanna see a fucking circle fit in the chat. Wait, what? I hit that? I hit the hardest part, what the hell? By the way, if I actually pass with a B rank, say hi to YouTube in case. Wait, that is it! Say hi to YouTube, dude! That's the B rank! Oh! That's meaty. That's absolute meat. That's just pure meat right there. This is so overdue, this score. If anyone knows how much I've choked this ack, it's Mio in the chat, or as I like to call him now, Nick. He knows how much I've choked this with good combo and ack, and here I go. It's finally here. Oh, pure meat! That's big. That's really big, actually. That's big. Great into the stream.